In this video, I will show you how to complete the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process on Gate.io. First, open the Gate.io app and go to the Home tab, then tap on the profile icon at the top left. Next, click on the arrow at the top right beside Profile and Settings. From there, select KYC Identity Verification from your profile menu. If your account is currently unverified, simply tap on it to begin the process. You'll need to complete both identity verification and address verification to fully verify your account. The identity verification step typically takes around 2 minutes to review. To get started, tap the blue Verify Now button, then choose your nationality and country of residence. Please note that if your country is not listed, Gate.io may not be available in your region, which also means you won't be able to proceed with verification or access all platform features. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. I hope this video helps. Please leave a like and consider subscribing.